In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause or disable a website on Cloudflare. If you're managing a website and need to temporarily stop its activity on Cloudflare, whether it's for maintenance or troubleshooting, this process is straightforward and effective. First, let's navigate to your Cloudflare account. Open your web browser and go to the Cloudflare dashboard. You'll need to log in with your credentials via the account homepage. This is where you can manage all the domains associated with your account. If you're not already familiar with the dashboard, it's essentially your command center for managing your website's security and performance settings with Cloudflare. Once you've logged in and are on the main account page, you'll see a list of domains under your management. Click on the specific domain that you want to pause or disable. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple websites, to avoid any accidental changes to other sites. After selecting the desired domain, you'll need to scroll down the page. Take your time here and look for the section labeled as Advanced Actions. This section holds various options for specific manipulations and configurations that go beyond standard settings. Within this section, you'll find the option to pause Cloudflare. This is the setting that will temporarily disable Cloudflare's services on your chosen domain. By clicking on Pause Cloudflare, you essentially pause the security and performance features provided by Cloudflare for this particular website. It's worth noting that while Cloudflare is paused, requests to your site will bypass Cloudflare's network and connect directly to your server. This means that your site will no longer benefit from Cloudflare's protection and speed optimizations during this period. Pausing a website can be beneficial if you're diagnosing issues or if you're about to perform maintenance that could be disturbed by Cloudflare's caching and security features. However, remember to re-enable Cloudflare once you've completed your tasks. To do this, you'll simply go back to the same domain in your Cloudflare account and click the button that re-enables Cloudflare services. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to pause or disable a website on Cloudflare. This can be a valuable tool in your web management toolkit, allowing you to handle various scenarios effectively. Always remember to monitor your site performance and security closely whenever you make such adjustments. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments below if you have any questions or need further assistance on this topic.